Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about estrogen control. So one of the main questions that I get is, how can I control my estrogen whilst I'm on TRT? Now, having a high estrogen can cause a lot of issues whilst you're on testosterone replacement therapy. So today we're going to look at 5 really important tips for how to control and manage your estrogen whilst on TRT. Tip number 1, reduce your testosterone dose. So one of the key things that can increase your estrogen level is having too high a testosterone dose. This is because testosterone converts into estrogen in the male body. So one of the first things that our doctors look to do is to see if they can reduce your dose slightly to maintain a good testosterone level, but also to get your estrogen level within a normal range. Tip number 2 is to split up your injections. So if you're taking 1 or 2 injections a week and you're injecting a larger amount of testosterone at a time, what happens is you get a peak in testosterone and estrogen levels, which then slowly drops off over the week. By splitting up the injections into smaller doses, you get more even kind of levels throughout the week, which maintains a more normal testosterone and estrogen level without the spikes in levels. Tip number 3 is to ask your doctor about using an aromatase inhibitor. An aromatase inhibitor acts on the enzyme aromatase, which usually converts testosterone into estrogen. It binds to this enzyme and prevents that from happening. So this is something that some men do need, either because they've got a little bit more body fat or because genetically they're more prone to converting testosterone into estrogen. Tip number 4. As previously mentioned, having extra body fat can cause you to produce more estrogen. This is because body fat contains more of the enzyme aromatase. If you reduce your body fat levels, you reduce the amount of testosterone which is converted into estrogen. This is also why we see a lot of men who are overweight having problems with low testosterone. They convert a lot of the testosterone into estrogen, and also that can cause a suppressive effect on your own natural production of testosterone. And the last tip, number 5, is to drink less alcohol. Alcohol is estrogenic and causes an increase in estrogen levels. So if you're constantly drinking a lot of alcohol, that can have a major effect on how high your estrogen is. If you enjoyed the video, then please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.